Samsung is quietly expanding One UI 8.5, and more Galaxy phones are officially on the list. While everyone's eyes are locked on the Galaxy S25 beta, Samsung has already started laying the groundwork behind the scenes, and three more Galaxy devices have just joined the One UI 8.5 journey. Right now, One UI 8.5 is in beta testing, and the public beta program is only available for the Galaxy S25 series. But internally, Samsung is moving much faster than it looks. According to a reliable tipster, Mohammed Khatri, Samsung has begun internal testing of One UI 8.5 for three additional Galaxy phones. The newly spotted devices include the Galaxy M33 5G, Galaxy M6 5G, and Galaxy F06 5G, all showing their very first One UI 8.5 test builds for the Korean variants. This clearly confirms that Samsung is actively preparing the update for mid-range and budget Galaxy phones as well. Here are the first internal One UI 8.5 builds spotted. Galaxy M33 5G, M336 KSUD-HZB1, Galaxy M06 5G, M66BXS4BZA1, Galaxy F6 5G, E066BX41. These builds are a strong sign that One UI 8.5 development is moving forward steadily. And it's not just these three phones. Multiple Galaxy flagships, mid-range, and entry-level devices are already being tested internally. On the beta side, Samsung isn't slowing down either. The company has already rolled out three One UI 8.5 beta updates for the Galaxy S25 series, and reports suggest another beta release is coming very soon. Each update focuses on fixing bugs, improving performance, and polishing features before the stable rollout. Samsung has also officially confirmed that One UI 8.5 will debut in its stable form with the Galaxy S26 series launch. After that, the update will gradually expand to more Galaxy devices worldwide. So yes, things are getting exciting, and One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be a major update for the Galaxy ecosystem. If you own a Galaxy phone, hit the like button, subscribe for the latest Samsung updates, and comment down below which device you're using. I'll let you know if One UI 8.5 is coming your way. Stay tuned, because more leaks and confirmations are just around the corner.